So today I'm going to do a tour of the 2019 Softail Fat Bob. This is pretty much a 100% tour since the complete rebuild from the frame up. It's completely done pretty much, minus a few parts here and there. It has changed a lot for the better, in my opinion. A lot of the same parts, but a lot of different and a lot of updates. We are still rocking the dougzcustom Spartan Mini and the 6-up windscreen. I had this painted. So I had this painted, and I also had my tank painted. It's a really nice midnight blue color. Really accents all the carbon fiber very well now. Everything else is real carbon fiber by LA Fairing Co. This one's a little harder to see with the light. Then we got the tank up here. The tank gauge as well. As you can see, that's a really nice color. Blue really matches that carbon fiber well. It is still the same S&S 128 build. It has a Thundermax tuner, Cyclorama cam, Barnett clutch, Dark Horse crank. It's blueprinted and all the good stuff. I also have that Man of War compensator delete, which I've had that for a long time. We did go chain drive. I'll show you that on the other side. We still do have the Feel Moto AC/DC air cleaner right here with the clarity cover on there. See inside into there. Maybe we can see inside. Maybe not. To my throttle body in there, 64 millimeter. You can kind of see it there. 64 millimeter throttle body, Screaming Eagle. The S&S 128 still the same. I have minor headwork due to my previous build blowing up. Still have the saddlemen step up. Really like that. This side you can see is a little beat up from the crash. Still have the Pelican Vault cases, V250. You can put quite a bit of stuff in here. Got my camera gear in this one and quite a bit of other stuff. Lots of space in there. Got a tripod in there, all kinds of stuff. I still have the S&S 2-in-1, Super Street 2-in-1. I really like it, puts out some power. My pegs are cross-thread cycles. My pegs and foot controls are all cross-thread cycles. This side, then the clutch side as well. This side I get asked a lot what this is. It's a catch can going to the other side. Intake and throttle body, pretty much catch can. The grips are performance machine still. Moto levers, Moto levers, custom dynamics, mini LEDs. Those are really nice, actually. Going on to the back, I got the custom dynamics Fat Bob Taillight LED. I was the prototype tester for this. I've had it for a long time. I've had a couple issues with it, going in and out sometimes, but other than that, it's a great product. Give you a little walk around. The other side has the chain drive. This side has the chain drive. For the risers, they're still the Big Al Cycles 6-inch pullback riser. The bar is a Big Al Cycle bar. It's like a 30-inch bar or something like that. I will have this cruise control module for sale when my new one comes in. The only thing is you can't mount another button here. Cracked or something, who knows. That is pretty much a tour of the 2019 Fat Bob. Give you guys a little start up here, a little walk around. Give you guys a start up here. So this is pretty much a updated tour of the 2019 Fat Bob with the frame up build. Appreciate everybody watching. It's pretty chilly in here in Michigan. Getting out as much as I can. Give you guys a couple revs. As always, have a great day.